this is mine and my name is Eleanor.
This is mine and my name is Rosie.
This is mine and my name is Shanvi.
This is mine and my name is Samaya.
Hi guys, today we are going to make homemade and handmade squishy. This will be a lot of fun.
So the things we're going to be using is kitchen tissue, sellotape, toilet roll, scissors, plastic wrap, and markers.
Let's get started.
So today I'm going to be telling you all the instructions what to do. So first of all, you have to take a big chunk of toilet paper.
This is the secret ingredient to make it very squishy.
So we each need to have like a fair amount of tissue so it actually works.
Squishy.
If you don't have kitchen tissue, you can just like buy it online or something. But you should be able to find it in your house.
And also you can use any you can use any markers in your house, but make sure they're like suitable, like
suitable for tissues.
Yeah.
So
it works. Yeah.
Okay, now we got all of our tissues. So let's like scrunch it up into a ball. Okay, now you put it in the middle.
Like put it in the middle like this.
And then we're gonna be folding it up.
And now we're gonna be folding it and
like
taping
this.
it. So now we're gonna use some tape
to tape it up so it doesn't like fully explode or something.
So in the squishy, you have to like tape it, because if you don't tape it, it's like when you squish it, all of it's gonna break apart. So it's more like it'll work more if you use tape.
Yeah.
And make sure it's a long amount to like cover it all up.
Yeah.
Okay, now it's for Eleanor. And I'm just going to tell you all our names. So my name is Rosie.
My name is Samaya.
And my name is Shanvi.
My name is Eleanor.
So
And
yeah.
we're all BFFs. We can cut that bit out of there.
And now we have to take a bit more tape
And
so
we're
we
gonna
can
fold it up a bit more.
So
See this gap bit?
So you see this corner bit, because we're making a circular thing, circular squishy, we have to fold that bit too. So today we're going to be making like an cute apple squishy. Paper squishy. Well, tissue paper squishy.
Whatever it's called.
But you can make whatever you want at home as long as it's like in a circular shape, because we're making it in like a circular shape.
Like some examples, orange, and if you like football, maybe a football.
Yeah, you can use a football, a basketball.
Yeah.
And you can do like other fruits or vegetables or anything that's
Also,
Anything what you like, but it has to be a circular shape.
No, if it's not a circular shape, you can just try fit it in the circle instead.
yeah, like a watermelon.
Yeah.
Like the whole size.
But also, if you want, you can do a little small one, a medium one that we're doing right now, or you can do a big one.
Yeah.
But it has to be the same exact things what we're telling you, the same exact steps.
Yeah.
If you want more ideas like this, arts and crafts, just follow and view our channel.
So, also, if you hear like a lot of banging, don't mind. And if you hear like, and you don't have to rush. If you rush, it's not going to work properly. You have to take your time.
Pause the video if you need to.
And also, you have to take your time. Yeah, or then it'll be messed up.
Now, all we have to do is do the same exact thing to every other corner. Yeah. So let's move the shape. And wait, actually no, just keep it like this. And as you see, there's some corners here. So whatever corners you see, just do that and tape it. So
it's gonna be really cool. It don't really look cool right now. It looks like a scruff ball for right now, but when it's at the end, it's gonna look really cool.
Trust us.
you have to take your marker. So red is good for apples, obviously. Or if you
Or you could do like any types of shade like green.
Because green is also an apple color, but we would like to do red. So let's get started by coloring in our tissue. So you don't really have to color in the back. I'm just going to...
Yeah, because the back, you don't really want to do the back. You just want to do like the front, and
Yeah.
that's the most.
You can do it if you want to.
Yeah, it's your choice. But today we're only doing the front.
Right, we can just
Because
speed
that's
this-
what
we
we
can just
normally
speed
do.
this part up, but pause the video if you want.
Don't say that.
Oh, Sarah.
It's okay, my dad can cut.
Yeah.
So it's okay if it rips while you're coloring.
Because like we're gonna put
That's a normal thing.
Yeah, because when you color,
Tissue.
it's tissue, so
we're gonna do put cling film on top or paper wrap. Some people say
clear wrap or something.
Yeah.
Guys, and if you're doing an apple, remember to leave like a mini space at the top here to put your green leaf on top.
And also, you can use anything, but it has to be clear, okay? Yep. Where's the tape?
So, yeah. You just have to, just remember to leave a space if you're making an apple, a pineapple, a strawberry,
Whatever you want.
whatever you want. But if it's like something which has like something on the top,
If you want, you can do it big or small. Like, look at Shanvi's. This is big, but mine is just a little bit smaller.
But it doesn't matter the size as long as you
It's
can
still gonna
fit
be-
something on it.
Yeah, it's still gonna be really cute, anyways, and it's your idea. You do whatever you
so
want.
now we're gonna do like shades of green, so we can do like the top bit of our apple. So
The thing. So yeah.
Yeah.
guys, so far this is my squishy. So it's not done yet, as you may think. So this is my squishy. So cute. But as you can see, there are rip bits and stuff like that. But you don't need to worry about that
Because we're gonna be putting
we're
this
gonna
on it.
put plastic wrap on it. So all you have to do is take a bit of plastic wrap.
And you can see that Shanvi's like doing most of the stuff, and we're like Samaya, Eleanor, and me are like
Following.
Yeah.
As you can see, my strawberry. So I'm gonna put my strawberry here and here, and you basically have to do the same exact thing.
It doesn't need to look good.
Yeah,
As long as you're enjoying it and having fun.
yeah. And as long as it's really squishy. So
And
I
the
made
point
it
of
like,
this, you want to make a squishy anyways.
yeah. So even if it looks bad,
Even like
it's
my
a
one kind
point.
of looks a bit bad.
Yeah, my one kind of looks a little bit bad too. She did actually ask first though. Right, I think I'm finished. So this is my squishy. So guys, this is my squishy. It's very slay. So this is my squishy. This is Rosie. I'm Rosie, and this is my squishy.
And it is very slay if you look at it.
This is mine, and my name is Eleanor. This is mine, and my name is Rosie.
This is mine, and my name is Shanvi.
This is mine and my name is Sanaya.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.